Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to unblock someone on Lord's mobile game. If you have blocked a player recently on Lord's mobile and you have suddenly changed your mind and you want to unblock them, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open up your Lord's mobile application on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up the Others menu. From the menu, tap on the Blocked List button. You will be able to see the players that you've blocked. To unblock the player, tap the Unblock button right next to their name. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock the certain player. Now, they can message you and you will be able to see their messages or interactions again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.